Hello, my dear friends. Allow me to introduce the lecture about preliminary cargo plant preparation and how to load the ship with bulk cargo. First, it is necessary to adjust everything concerning present situation. According to voyage assignment, the voyages from Klaipėda, Lithuania up to Izmir, Turkey. Because according to International Load Line Convention, there in Klaipėda is winter draft up to 31st of March. That is why it's necessary to adjust a situation. You can see that there is the bottom, and it is necessary to adjust and find the letter W. It means that that program is prepared for winter draft control. There you can see the letters Delta Mike, and it is necessary to control. As soon as we reach the maximum allowed middle draft, 9.27 meters, immediately there will appear a red color. The next is very important. Always there is necessary to adjust seawater density 1.025, because according to international agreement, all certification booklets are prepared, hydrostatic properties are prepared for salinity 1.025. It means table stability. Always necessary to pay attention about units. You can see units, because Lithuania and Turkey used metric system. Always this is necessary to adjust meters and tons. The voyage assignment is to load the maximum cargo of ammonium nitrate, maximum up to winter draft, and to deliver to the Turkish port Izmir. The voyage will take duration about 12 days. Therefore, it is necessary to have sufficient quantity of fuel under chief engineer's responsibility. That is why it's necessary to ask about quantities and tanks. It's necessary to ask for chief engineer. And we can see that chief engineer informed me that he has the fuel oil in heavy fuel oil forward port 142.7 tons. It means full. He has a full tank heavy fuel oil forward starboard. There he contains gas oil, but it is situated in E4 tanks. The next tank, he informed me that he has 40 tons in the tank heavy fuel oil aft port. The next quantity is contains in tank heavy fuel oil aft starboard. And as usually, he informed me that he has full tanks of heavy fuel settle tank starboard, and as usually full daily consumption heavy fuel oil daily tank port. It means that total quantity of heavy fuel oil is 408.4 tons. After, it is necessary to ask chief engineer about quantities of diesel oil. He informed me that in the tank, maritime diesel oil double bottom port tank, he has 20 tons. After he has 20 tons in the tank, maritime diesel oil double bottom starboard, 20 tons, and he has 10 tons in the maritime diesel oil shuttle tank port 10, and tank in maritime diesel oil daily consumption starboard 10 tons. It means that total quantity of gas oil there are on board of ship 60 tons total quantity. About it is necessary to know what is because the ship is empty or under ballast condition. There we can see just now bosun reported about the ballast quantities, and there are all quantities included into different tanks. But we can press the bottom water ballast, and there we can. It is necessary to put all quantities because the ballast was pumped in, was received at the port of Liepaja. It means that specific gravity, the salinity is 1.003, and the tanks are full except for peak. Just now it is necessary to send the bosun and make soundings and to determine about the quantities of fresh water. And according to bosun's report, there are 50 tons in freshwater tank 1 port, 50 tons, and 50 tons is in the tank forward freshwater second starboard potable water 50 tons. It means the total quantity of fresh water is 50 tons. After just now motorman gave me the quantities of lubricating oils, and according to chief engineer's information, there are no lubricating oil in any tanks because are all filled the inside of different machineries. Just now it is necessary to know what are the quantities, include the quantities about crew effects and different crew and stories weights, and the total is 31 ton. We can change the any quantities, but according to report I filled the real quantities which are on board of ship. Just now it is miscellaneous because there are, you can see quantities of sludge tank, bilge valve, because all these dirty waters are discharged in ports facilities. It means are empty these tanks, but there is it is necessary to include to ship's constant. According to the last draft survey, we found the ship's constant was 50 tons. Just now means that we already included all consumables and ship constant. Just we can start cargo plan preparation.